Are you worried about the freeze breaking your sprinkler system? Don't worry about it because I got you covered. I'm about to show you how to winterize your sprinkler system within 90 seconds. 90% of sprinkler systems have the exact same valve setup. It's usually a Febco 765. If it's not, it's going to be something very similar to it. On the body of the backflow preventer, there's two bleed ports on it. You want to take the caps off the end of those. Now they'll be plastic or they could be metal and they may not have anything, but take them off because you need to vent the water out of this thing. Next, you want to look at the pipe flowing directly up to the body of the backflow preventer. That is your main water supply, and there's a valve handle right there that can shut it off. Now, on valve handles, if they are in line with the pipe, then that allows the water to flow in that direction. So it flows up through one and it can flow across through the other one, as long as that handle is in line with it. You want to take the handle on the main supply and turn it 90 degrees so that it's going across the pipe, which means the water is now blocked. Now you can open up the two bleed ports. There is a flat head screw on there, and just look at the slot on it. The slot is actually turned across the body. If I turn it in line with the bleed valve, the water can then vent out. So you will turn both of these and a little bit of water may come out, or there may be quite a bit. Once it seems like most of the water is coming out of those bleed ports, go ahead and close the other valve on the other side of the backflow preventer. Now you may see even more water come out. The main water supply line coming up underneath the valve body will still have water in it and pressure, so you want to make sure and insulate this with a towel. You should have foam insulation, but if you don't, that's okay. Wrap it with a towel. This will help to keep the pipe warm and also wrap the valve body. You can also wrap the additional pipe going out, but there shouldn't be any water in that line. Next, you can put a cover over it, but just use a trash bag if you don't have one, over the entire assembly. This will cut the wind chill on the valve because wind chill can actually be worse than the temperature outside. After I put the bag on it, I tie it off at the bottom to get it tight, and I go ahead and wrap either string or you could use tape, and that's it. This is super simple. Anybody can do this. No need to pay somebody to do it. Anyway, if you've got any questions on this, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm James Rowlett, team lead of the Houston Home Team with Compass Real Estate. Take care, guys.